Right now, our sentiment score is showing an unexpected spike at plus 0.27, alongside a momentum increase of plus 0.53. This is noteworthy because it contrasts sharply with the historical baseline, indicating a heightened optimism that we haven't seen recently. When you tap into our API, you'll receive a comprehensive analysis that includes sentiment scores, momentum, and the underlying semantic clusters driving these changes. Imagine you're building a trading algorithm that reacts to shifts in sentiment. By integrating our API, you can enhance your strategy to capitalize on this sudden wave of positive sentiment, allowing your algorithm to adjust to these new dynamics in real time. For detailed insights and implementation guidance, visit pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Let's build something impactful together.